this video, I will show you the location of the engine oil drain plug and the oil filter in 4th generation Kia Sportage. To begin, you will have to remove the engine splash shield after lifting the vehicle on jack stands. This cover is held in place by 6 clips on the sides and 11 bolts all around. Remove the clips with a flathead screwdriver or a clip removal tool. You can remove the bolts with a 10mm socket. There is also a plastic nut in the middle. Use a 14mm socket to loosen the nut and then take out the cover. You will now have a clear view of the oil pan and other components underneath the engine. Now let's look at the oil drain plug. You will find it at the lowest point of the oil pan, towards the rear side. To remove it, you will need a 17mm wrench or socket. Place a drain pan underneath before loosening the plug, because once it's out, the engine oil will start draining immediately. Next is the oil filter, which is located near the front of the engine, right beside the oil pan. To remove it, you will need a 79mm oil filter wrench. But if you don't have the exact size, you can always use a universal oil filter wrench like this one, which can be adjusted to grip different filter sizes. If you found this video helpful, go to like and subscribe to Wisdom for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.